2019 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.